Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. I have a solemn toy to share. JFK rocking chair by Kamar. This particular toy came out right about the time JFK was assassinated. And it's completely ironic that Happy Days Are Here Again is the particular tune that's being played. The likeness is quite excellent in his face. There's a miniature Herald. Miniature Herald says Happy Days Are Here Again. Again. The irony. Bobby. Jackie. The mechanism's pretty simple. It's patented. Kamar has a patent detail and date behind it. And then we have the particular picture that was Xeroxed independently of his rocking chair. And then the original hang tag. So cheers everybody. And here's an idea of the size. Cheers everybody from AntiqueToys.com. Take care from Ed. And condolences, continuing condolences to all the people in the presidency that happened to be assassinated or terrible things that happened.